Hi team, let's talk about creating a project in Pipeline CRM. Here's the scenario. You just closed a deal with a new client, this Johnson Kitchen Remodel. We'll go ahead and mark this 1. The contract is signed and now the real work begins. Instead of tracking the job in a spreadsheet or a separate app, you're going to create a project right here in Pipeline and link it directly to this deal. Let's head over to projects. Now, before we dive in, let me give you a quick lay of the land. Projects are containers. Each one holds all the work for a specific job or client. Milestones. Inside of each project, you have milestones. These are your phases. In this case, think demo and prep, installation, finishing, and walkthrough. And inside of each milestones are tasks. And these are the specific items that need to get done to move the project forward. We will explore these, the timeline list, Kanban view, how to read this, how to deep dive into your projects once they've been created in the upcoming videos. But now let's go create a project. We're going to go click Add New. Let's give this a name, although you could leave it empty and let the system auto-generate for you. But I would like to call this the Johnson. Next, we can choose a color. As you can see, a lot of these have defaulted to purple. I would like to make this my own custom color. I'm going to click on the green, and I would like to make this one yellow. Select a template. If your admins have created templates for you, they will be here. If they haven't, that's okay. You can create your own template on the fly. In this case, we will choose kitchen renovation. I am the owner, although you can make this project on behalf of somebody else. Status, open or closed. We'll keep it on open. Let's choose a start date and an end date. Great. Add a description of the project if you would like. And here's where you can link deals, people, and companies to the specific project. You don't have to, but you can. So in this one, let's look for that deal we just won, the Johnson Kitchen Remodel. If there are several deals attached to this project, notice that you can add multiple deals as well as people. This one I know that my customer was Magic Johnson. You can add more people there. Magic Johnson, no company. Here's where you can add your own milestones. If there is not a template in place, you just click Add Milestones, name your milestones, give it a status, a start date, and an end date, and keep adding those. These are all milestones from another project. So this gives you kind of an idea. And there are tasks housed under each milestone. We'll hit save. Your project is created. Your milestones are loaded. Your records are linked. In the next few videos, we'll look at how to navigate your project views, the timeline, the list, the Kanban, and more. Thanks.